Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a great website where you can download stunning animated icons for your videos. These icons are in PNG and transparent format so you can easily edit them to match your theme. You can use them for your video thumbnails or in your videos to make them more attractive and professional. Let me show you how to find and download these icons. First, open Google and search for Lord Icon. Then, click on the first result that you see. This will take you to the website where you can explore hundreds of amazing animated icons. You can sort them by category, style, or keyword. You can also see how they look before downloading. To download an icon, just click on it and then click on the download button. You can select the resolution and the format that you prefer. That's it. You have just downloaded an animated icon that you can use for your videos. Now let me show you some of the icons that I really like from this website. Stay tuned and enjoy. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also make sure to check out the Lord Icon website and download some awesome animated icons for your videos. You will love them. See you in the next video.